Wow. It's been doing this for like an hour. I mean, this rain just needs to stop. I mean, this is crazy. And you can see the drain right there coming out of the... That's from my garage. I mean, it seriously has to be the wettest summer I've ever lived through. Water running here. I think the turkeys are wet. I think all the birds are wet. This is what we've been dealing with for like, I don't know, since June. Oh, grief. Alright, well, hopefully it stops soon. My driveway is not supposed to look like raging rapids. Hey everyone. So, this is the pump. This is my pump and pressure tank for my barn. And it is not working. So I'm not really sure. I haven't a clue what's going on. But it has something to do with the pressure switch is all I know. So at this point I'm just kind of faking it. And we'll figure out. I have a new pressure switch. So that might be what I have to deal with, but I don't know. I'm completely clueless at this point, so there's no way for me to record this. This is like very small hole. You can see I kind of have some insulation in here. This is, and then I put heat tape on this because in the winter, and I actually run a heat light in here in the winter, so we still have water. So I'll try to show something. I don't know what I'm going to do here yet. I got to figure out what the hell's going on. All I know is whenever I do this, it comes on. Yeah, I don't know. Alright, I'll be back with you. Gotta figure out what's going on. Okay, I'm back. So, I'm not sure exactly what's going on here, but the backstory behind this was we did not need water over the winter. Over this past winter. So instead of running a heat light and running all this stuff, I just drained all this. I drained the whole tank. I drained everything. So when spring came, I just plugged it all back in. Well, what was going on was it wouldn't shut off. It was running, you know, like it was going to explode the tank. So what I ended up doing was just as a quick fix, I installed this little gizmo here, which you just plug into the outlet and you plug your whatever device in and you have a remote control. So that was just a quick fix to get me back up and running. Well, that worked for like, I mean, that thing has a range of, I don't know, a couple hundred feet. So it, you know, all we did was just put that remote in the RTV. Whenever we needed it upstairs, we just turned the water on. Well, it just quit working a little while ago. Wouldn't turn on, wouldn't do anything. So I figured the switch went bad, and I went and bought a new one at Tractor Supply. This is where I bought this rig from. So I was getting ready to replace this today, and so I took the cover off, and then if you see that black line right here, that's the water pressure for in the tank. So, and just honestly by accident, I pressed that button. There's power to that, so I'm not sticking my finger on it. But and the pump came on. I plugged it in, the pump came on. So I adjusted this screw. I turned it all the way down and then turned it right back to where it was. So now, if I turn the water on, turn water, and the water's running. Give it a second. Come on, baby. Don't make a liar out of me. Okay, now I'm going to turn the water off. And it shuts off. Holy shit. So I'm just wondering if, because when I turned this back on at the end of the winter, it had some mud in it. It was dirty. I'm wondering if, I'm gonna get myself shocked here. There was some dirt in that pressure line or something, because what the hell? It's working now. So I can take that and get my 21 bucks back at Tractor Supply. So, all right, I'm going to put this back together and hope the hell it keeps working. All right, I'll be back. Okay, well, it's still working, so, but I was just going to show you, this here is all, my tractor's all still tore apart. It's freaking devastating having this thing looking like this. So, shit, I'm hoping today, tomorrow, or the latest Monday that my part will be in. The new water pump and pulley will be in. I'll show you what happened this morning. You've seen the earlier part of this video where we had all the rain. I mean, I think we got 3 inches of rain this morning. And, I mean, this is the aftermath of the this is ridiculous. The state has snowplows out plowing everybody's driveways off the road. So, I mean, you can see here, just wiped stuff out. I mean, my wife went to the market this morning, and All the roads were flooded. There's still quite a bit of water running down through here. And we got more on the way, so crazy. I mean, I haven't been able to mow my grass for 2 weeks now, so if I get the tractor running, maybe I'll just put the sickle bar on and cut it with that. I don't know. That or fire up the drum mower. Man, it's ridiculous. It flooded my garage, flooded my basement. Sucks. Sucks, sucks, sucks. So, alright. We'll catch you later. It's probably going to be the end of this video. So, I will get you on the next one and give me a thumbs up. If nothing else, for being lucky and getting that pump to work just by sheer luck and bullshit. So, alright, we'll talk to you later. Comment, rate, and give me a subscribe. Thanks. Peace out.